Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, after my prior bashing of Layer 2 solutions in my last video, we are exploring Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, Arbitrum. And that's starting from centralized exchanges like BingX. Remember, you can get a bonus of over $5,000 by signing up through the link in the description and help out this channel. So, what exactly is Arbitrum 1? It's a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum aimed at solving scalability issues and reducing the overall transaction fees while swapping coins, or overall doing something on the chain. Now, you might be wondering how to interact with it, and that's what we'll look into today. Let's begin with USDT on BingX, the central crypto exchange of our choice, and this is where we'll start the process. Now, onto Arbitrum 1. To interact with this Layer 2 solution, we need some ETH to cover gas fees. It's the same ETH from Ethereum, but much cheaper to transfer on Arbitrum. I've already funded my wallet with $20 worth of ETH, which only cost me a withdrawal fee of 0.0001 ETH on BingX, equivalent to about 29 cents at the current rate. Next, we'll transfer our USDT to the Arbitrum wallet. Now, let's head over to 1inch, a decentralized exchange aggregator. Here, we can swap coins on Arbitrum for free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free because of the new Fusion mode. Fusion mode is the default mode for users, so it doesn't require any gas fees for the user to execute a swap outside of fast mode, as the taker, aka resolver, pays for all related transaction costs. Each order is filled with a specific price range starting from high to low, like a Dutch auction, designed to incentivize resolvers to take orders. This revolutionizes the execution of swaps on decentralized exchanges. Fusion mode also provides native front-running protection, as the resolver who fill order bundle transactions before sending them to the mempool. And the exchange rate? It's great. For 950 USDT, we get 949.47 US dollar in wrapped Bitcoin. With a slippage tolerance of 0.5%, we guaranteed at least $944.72. When clicking sign for the swap, remember to pay attention to what you're signing. In this case, I'm only allowing a maximum of $1,000 because I want to swap 950 USDT. The cost? Minimal. Just 0.50255 ETH, or it's a fraction of a cent. After confirming the swap, we can easily track the process in the Arbitrum Explorer. We now see $948 worth of wrapped BTC in our Arbitrum wallet. With this, the possibilities for DeFi activities are wide open. Stay tuned for more in my next videos, and see you in the next one.